Bawasan niyo yung kasalanan niyo. Lalo yung pangdidagdagan eh. Lalo kayo nagpapahalata. What Filipino word you learned yesterday with Mama? Can you please?
Araw.
Araw. What is araw? What is araw? The sun. What more? What more did you learn yesterday?
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Yes, that's how it is. Dati, marunong si Beatrice sa mga shapes and kumanta ng French. Tapos, parili ko sa inyo yung French na kanta. Pambata. Yes, eh? Kaya natutong mag-French eh. Kaya si Beatrice yung lingwahe niyan, iba-iba. I invite my baby to be in their garden because Mama is cleaning up. I'm cleaning up the garden. Then I invite her to go out.
I already bread.
Yes, I know. I invited Beatrice to go out here kasi maglalaro siya. So I want her to breathe in first the fresh air in the garden. What is that?
It's growing.
This one? Yes.
The rose.
And they have a cocoon here again. Look at this. Palagi kami may alaga dito.
Ah.
Feel safe kasi dito. Beatrice, look at this, Bea. It's pink.
I know.
Nice, nice, na?
Mama, it says the name Acer.
Acer. So it's maple. It's maple pala. Speed it out, Beatrice, please. Tsaka, namulaklak yung ating peace lily. Oh, may snail. But it's empty. Ito, throw it away. May snail dito. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Snail din to. This is still alive. I have to give this to the chicken. May makain man lang yung manok dun sa kabila, yung kapitbahay. Ay, natutumba ikaw. Beatrice is there. Say hi, Bea. Hi! Hindi namin pinapasok. Kasi nga, hindi pinapasok. Dahil umuulan. Tapos kahapon, sobrang init. So, yun. Hindi doon sa bahay. Tapos na kasi yung schooling din natapos na yung evaluation nila. So, ayan. Grade 2 na si Bea next sa September. At so, anong ginagawa ko dito ngayon? Ito. Kasi ito, nakita ko lang ito sa labas. Naka-standby. Dati, marunong si Beatrice sa mga shapes and kumanta ng French. Dahil nga ito ay bigay sa amin ng family friend nila na galing sa France. So, French yung, nilagyan French yung, yung language. So, sayang naman, so nilinis ko siya. Nilagyan ko ng battery, at saka, nilinis ko siya, diba? Sayang kasi, na-brush ko na yung mga gilid-gilid, mga ganyan. Tapos, ko na siya, wala na siyang alikabok. So, I will clean up na lang with alcohol. Tapos, parili ko sa inyo yung French na kanta, pambata. So, meron tayo dito, kasi may time ako ngayon nakapag-release na ako, nakapag-gal na ako. So, medyo standby time na. Tapos, maya, maglilinis tayo. Maghuhugas ng mga kung ano-ano. Pang vlog ba? So, yun. Eto. May alcohol tayo dito. Ano natin, hugasan na lang ako. Kasi may gusto akong pagbigyan dito. Ayoko kasi siyang itap. So, we will clean this up with alcohol. Ayan. Para naman sigurado na ma-disinfect. Magandang brand to Fisher & Price. Ano natin? French. Beatrice knows how to sing this when she was a baby.
Balade éducative. Génial. En avant pour découvrir la nature. Coucou bébé. En avant pour de nouvelles découvertes.
Tapos, kasi may mga numbers.
Triangle.
Yes.
Cercle.
Yes. French. Ayan. Tapos meron siyang na music. Nung baby si Beatrice, ha? Alaw na alaw si Beatrice nito. Ang cute. So, ayan. French. Na lingwahe. So, ano natin, itakpan ko na yung battery. Natutong mag-French Kaya dito yung lingwahe niya, iba-iba. Nung baby pa. Dahil nga dyan. Tapos yung mga ano niya galing France.
Coccinelle, demoiselle bête à bon Dieu. Coccinelle, demoiselle folle vers les yeux. Petit point rouge, elle bouge. Petit point blanc, elle attend. Petit point noir, Coccinelle au revoir.
Ayan. Ang ganda pa dito. So, linisin ko ng alcohol. At saka, yeah. Yes, baby. Off na natin kung maubos na yung battery. Beatrice, you know how to talk before French Coco, bebe! Yan, ganyan. So, ano na natin? I will clean up with alcohol this one na. Para may bigay natin ito. Ayoko kong ibigay na madumi eh. So, kailangan malinis. Naka-alcohol. Para ma-disinfect yung bata. Hindi naman maano. Actually, Beatrice has a lot of chocolates in the fridge. So, kinokontrol na namin yung kain niya ng chocolate kasi nga, di ba, naubos siya. So, nagsimula naman kumain kasi ako ng ice cream. So, yun. So, like this one. Kasi ito, ng lola niya palagi. Palagi siyang binibilhan. Ano nito? Ito, hindi pa na-open. Hindi pa na-open. Ang isa nito nakain na. Ayan. So, medyo matagal pa naman itong expiration. So, okay lang. Ititago natin. So, yan. Tapos na last time, na kaya siya naubo kasi bigyan nga siya ng candy ng classmate niya. Tapos, hindi siya uminom ng tubig. So, yun. Ang tagal na wala yung ubo. So, nagalit ako sa kanya. So, as much as possible kasi i-control at saka alam niya dapat i-control yung sarili niya. Yung mga, especially mga pagkain na matatamis. Yan. Kasi na-irritate yung throat natin. So, yan. Probably this is not eating or drinking so much any apple juice o yung ano. More siya sa water at saka milk at saka tea sa gabi. Yung para sa ano, mga bata. Yung tea na appropriate para sa mga bata is chamomile. Yun. Yun talaga makarelax sa mga bata. No, baby? Come on here, mama. Say hi to mama. What is it? Ah, someone gave her a... Someone gave her a... yeah. What do you call that? A third classmate gave her... You're a good friend of him?
Yeah.
So they gave you. I told her don't pick up anything from her classmate. You don't pick it up from them? No, very good. Don't steal. That's one rule. Yes. They give it to you, okay? He give it to you, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So we will cook na kasi Papa is going to pick up his medicine. Hindi tayo kasama. No, we will not go with your Papa, ha? Why? You only have to pick up medicine. Pick up yung medicine niya. Para sa kanyang monthly na maintenance. Yung thousands of dollars, euros of medicine. Yan. So, guys, supposedly, is alio pasta lang to. So, meron akong broccoli. I put broccoli. I will boil the broccoli sa alio na sauce.
Mom,
Yeah?
I'm gonna make a tub for marbles.
What do you want?
Made of cardboard.
Make a cardboard. That is, I will cook in here. I will make it later, okay? I told you that we will play later, okay? I told you. So, yun. Gawa tayo ng yung meron broccoli. Bakit broccoli? Kasi po, pag nakikita nyo,
Mama, I can have a taste.
ha?
I can have a taste.
Yes, yes. Where's taste? No, of course. Yung pasta. So, bakit palagi broccoli? Kasi broccoli is anti-inflammation po. So, before, related po yan lahat sa sakit ng asawa ko na we have to prepare food na healthy para sa kanya. So, ayan. Ako naman, ang eating. Ako is eating pasta. Oh, hindi namin pinapasok kasi yesterday, it was so hot. Yung today is raining. No? So, better stay at home na lang. Matatapos na yung Beatrice. No? So, we will ask Papa to buy us something so we can bake tomorrow for your classmates. Okay? So, ayan. So, I will boil the broccoli until it will be cooked. After ito, ilalagay ko yung pasta. So, yung pasta is only a pasta.
Mama, are you making it brown?
No. No, because I'm boiling the broccoli. It's only a pasta na igigisa mo siya sa alio, garlic. Yun. Para may lasa siya. So, lagyan mo siya ng paste. So, yun. Saka, this will be paired with fried chicken. That is.
Ay.
Yes, ay. So, yun na yung wala natin. Yung rice natin is 3 minutes. So, yun yung pagkain ng asawa ko, yung pasta. Kasi, hindi naman yung makakain ng rice. What is? It's noisy there in the mic. Hindi naman yung kumakain ng pasta. So, Beatrice will eat. What do you want to eat? Raw pasta or rice?
This one.
But that one? Okay.
And with that one.
With the chicken. Okay, can you pick up the, the ketchup na? So, ito. Ayun. Kasi aalis ka, hindi na ako kasama.
Who want to eat the last gelatin in the fridge?
Yes, we just eat. We will eat our lunch. Not now. That will be for your school tomorrow. How about that?
Like will melt.
It will not melt yet, please. Last time nag-melt pala. Sobrang init sa room nila. Nag-melt yung gelatin. So, yan. Yes, baby, you put it on the table na. Siguro. And then put the plate after that. You go. Mautusan ka lang sa bahay. Malamig na naman na yung araw. Lamig ba? Lamig. Kahapon sobrang init. Umabot ako. So, malamig na naman. Hindi mo talaga alam. Panahan. Yung naka-jacket na naman. Wala talaga. Oh, Bea, can you please put the plate there? Okay lang, okay yun. Can you put the plate? Thank you. Beatrice, not yet, because I'm still cooking. What are you talking there? Saka ito, talaga tayong gumagamit nito kasi para ma-absorb yung oil.
Next plate.
That one. Ay, isa-isa. Na-absorb yung oil na yung luluto natin. So, yeah. Kailangan talaga ito. Ay, hindi mapunta sa plate niyo.
The last plate.
Hindi ko niluto. Kunti lang niluto kasi gusto ko sana magluto ng ng sausage. Wag na.
All done. Then what should I do?
Not yet. Just let it there for a while because we're waiting for this to cook. Okay?
Wait for the broccoli.
Yeah. So Philip, come on here, Mama. What Filipino word you learned yesterday with Mama? Can you please?
Araw.
Araw. What is araw? What is araw? The sun. What more? What more did you learn yesterday?
What is moon in Filipino?
Moon is buwan.
Buwan.
Buwan. How about, did you learn yesterday about the Earth?
Mundo.
Mundo. See? Nakalearn na si
Mars.
Because she wants to learn Filipino.
Mars.
What did you say? Matulog na tayo. What did you say?
Where's tayo?
We.
Matulog na tayo. What does that mean?
We're going to sleep.
That's what I say.
Yan.
Gagag.
Yan. Oh, madali lang si Beatrice, no? When you were a baby, you were playing the French toy, no? And you know how to count French before, and you're singing French. Cuckoo, Papa. Oh, how is that?
Cuckoo, gaga.
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
No. Cuckoo. How do you say that? The French, the toy that you have. Cuckoo, baby. Cuckoo, baby. That's a cuckoo, baby, Beatrice.
Cuckoo, baby. Cuckoo, baby.
Yeah, cuckoo, baby. That's what you have. Cuckoo, baby. Ay.
Wait.
Careful, Bea.
Baby.
So, we'll put this pasta. It has a taste. Ganun lang yun. Ganun lang yung pasta. Para may gasa siya. Tsaka mainit siya. Tapos inahugasan niyo palagi yung pasta ng cold water para maging lengthy siya. Yes, baby.
Oh, come on. Why are you mixing the pasta with that?
No, I will put it on the side. I know that you will not eat that.
Oh,
Come on. You should learn how to eat vegetable. Betis. Isang araw pala. Yung
Saro pala siya.
sasakyan namin. Di ba nag-vlog ako about sa mga nangyayari dito? Masarap din naman. Yung sabi yung, Beatrice! Nag-vlog ako about sa ganyan. Yung mga nangyayari dito sa buhay namin ba? Yung buhay ko. Alam niyo ba nung sasakyan namin, nawala ng hangin ng 5.8 PSI yung harap ng gulong namin. At saka yung sa likod na wala ng 0.2 bars. 0.2 bars, how many 0.2 bars? Basta ganun siya. 0.2 before. The other one is 5.8 PSI. So, the other one, 2.5, it's only 2. So, 0.5 is equals to 5.8 PSI. Pound per square inch. Yun yung nawala doon sa ano. So, may duda na kami ng asawa ko. Alam na namin yun kasi nag-react nga, no? Someone react doon sa vlog. So, syempre, sila siguro gumawa ng...
What is this button?
It's for when you turn on the light on the fire. So, ayan ganyan. Ganyan yung nangyari. Nawala ng ano. So, masyadong halata. So, imbes na may yung kasalanan nila ay, diba, mag-regret sila. Hindi. Dinagdagan pa nila yung kasalanan nila. So, kami alam namin. Kaya pinapark na namin yung sasakyan namin na makikita namin sa bahay. So, nahalata siguro nila na, halata naman namin. Kasi yung bagong sasakyan, mayroon yung mga countermeasures na malalaman mo siya kaagad. So, yun. Yeah, basta. Bawasan nyo yung kasalanan nyo. Lalo yung pangdidagdagan lalo kayo yung papahalata. Diba? So, yun. We will put here. Ay, kita ko. We'll put here the pasta. Kasi si Beatrice hindi yan kakain ng pasta na may, na may broccoli. Ito, nalagay kong broccoli dito. Ito yung pasta with alio. Ayan. Para presentable naman sa table yung paggawa natin. Diba? Oo, ha? Maganda ang presentation. Oh. Diba?